Sedulous. Displaying great care and effort in your work. He displays a sedulous attention to detail. Encumber. To make it difficult for somebody to do something. The police operation was encumbered by crowds of reporters. Effusion. The act of flowing out. Conversational effusion isn't always a good quality on a first date. Waffle. To have difficulty making a decision. The politician was accused of waffling on major issues. Intrepid. Very brave, not afraid of danger or difficulties. Pioneers often prove themselves to be intrepid explorers. Mores. The customs that are considered typical of a particular social group. Musicians are often blamed for a steady decline in sexual mores. Disheveled. Very untidy. He looked tired and disheveled. Sumptuous. Looking very impressive. It was a sumptuous meal. Reciprocate. To behave towards somebody in the same way as they behave towards you. They wanted to reciprocate the kindness that had been shown to them. Infallible. Never wrong, never making mistakes. No one is infallible.